This is a magical effect that I dreamed of many years ago.
Cesar Alonso, the founder of Cesaral Magic, FISM and a multiple invention award winner, and renowned pioneer in the world of magic, had brought many incredible creations. We have collaborated with Cesar once again and are honored to present the Cesaral Mental Frisbee, an unprecedented device that may completely change the way you open your shows. You walk out on stage and bring out a Frisbee to select an audience member at random, just like many magicians or mentalists often do. However, the difference is, printed on the Frisbee are the 12 zodiac signs, numbers, or any custom design. An audience member catches the Frisbee as long as the selected symbol or number faces upward. You instantly know what they have selected. Using stickers, it is easily customizable with any symbol or image that suits your routine, including customized images for commercial clients and shows. With included color stickers, you can immediately use the Frisbee to perform a highly interactive color matching effect that does not require color markers. The possibilities are only limited by your imagination. Adhering to PITATA's principle of only presenting a device with appearance of an actual real-life object, the Cesaral Mental Frisbee is made exactly like a real Frisbee, which makes it almost indistinguishable from an actual Frisbee. An actual Frisbee weighs 200 grams, while the Cesaral Mental Frisbee weighs 280 grams. The transmission adopts a 433 MHz signal, and the ultra-long transmission distance reaches 100 meters. The receiver adopts dual modes to transmit information via screen display and haptic vibration. The vibration is coded according to Roman numerals. No matter the number, you are able to interpret it at the fastest speed. The performance mode setting can be switched between 6 or 12 songs to suit your performance needs. The Frisbee has been drop tested vigorously for durability. Even if it falls on the ground during the performance, there is no need to worry. Instantly elevate your mentalism theater shows to the next level with a Cesaral Mental Frisbee.